Hi guys, this is Carl, your English teacher. Today I come back with a very important lesson for you. That's very important. And then it's gonna be very interesting. Okay? Let's go. Do you know how many ways the letters CH can be pronounced in English words? If you know, just tell me in the comment section. If you don't, let's get to it. Let's see how many ways the letters CH can be pronounced in English words. There are three ways that the letters CH can be pronounced in English words. The first one is ch. Repeat after me. Let's go. Ch, ch. The second one, k, k. And the third one is sh, sh. Let's see all of them together. Let's go. Let's learn how to pronounce CH in English words. Let's go together. First things first, we're gonna see the first part. So I put for you the phonetics, but I'm gonna give you the sounds of the three ways that the letters CH can be pronounced in English. Let's go for the first one. The first one is ch. It sounds like ch. An prononse apre. Quelques mots qui gen CH qui prononce tankou ch. Let's go. Chair, chair, chair. Chair qui veut dire chaise. Okay? Let's go. The second one is chocolate, 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 chocolate. Chocolate qui veut dire chocolat. Donc, nous connaissons ça, nous connaissons prononciation ça une fois pour toutes. C'est pas chocolate, c'est pas chocolate. Comment on prononce en anglais, c'est chocolate. Let's go. Chocolate. Let's go. Cheese. Cheese. Je nous capable de remarquer là, phonétique que vous mettez pour nous là, c'est phonétique anglais. OK? On a dit. Cheese. Ouais, c'est cheese. Chicken. Chicken. Ça, c'est quelques exemples, moi, bah, il y a un pile l'autre mot encore qui existait, qui gagne son ch, qui gagne ces H là-dedans, qui prononcé comme ch. OK? Child. Child. Aussi? Child. Church. Church. C'est ch. Church. Church. Let's go. Chin. 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 China. 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 Check. 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 The last one is champion. Let's go. Champion. 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 Chair. Chair qui veut dire chaise. Chocolate. Chocolate veut dire chocolat. Cheese. Cheese qui veut dire fromage. OK? Chicken. Chicken. Chicken veut dire poulet. Child. Child. Child veut dire enfant. OK? Nous connaissons pluriel là. Pluriel là, son mot irrégulier. Donc, c'est children. OK? Let's go. Church. Church veut dire église. L'église. OK? Chin. Chin veut dire menton. OK? Menton. China. China, this is a country in Asia. Asia is a continent. OK? Check. OK? Check. It can be a noun and it can be a verb. Champion. Champion, that means champion. See? Let's go. The second way that we can pronounce the letters CH in words, let's see them. This is the sound K. How do I pronounce it? It sounds like K. in these words. Repeat after me. Let's go. Okay? Let's go. Architect. Architect. Let's go. Stomach. Stomach. Do not say stomach, please. That's not correct. For the English, you have to say stomach. Okay? Technology. Technology. Please say technology. Technology. You see? Technology. Sounds like k. The CH sounds like k. Technology. See? Technology. Let's go. Christ. 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 Like Jesus Christ. Let's go. Chemistry. 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 Let's go. Chronic. Chronic. The CH sounds like k. Let's go. Chronic. Okay? Chronic. Let's go. Character. 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 How do I pronounce this word? It sounds like character. Let's go. Character. Character. Let's go. Christmas. 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 You see the letters CH, okay? This is a digraph. Sounds like k, okay? Christmas. Christmas, okay? Architect. Architect vle di architect, okay? Stomach vle di estomac. Echo means echo, okay? Mechanic vle di mécanicien, okay? Technology means technology. Christ means Christ. Christ. Chemistry. Chemistry vle di chimie. Chronic means chronique. Dans le domaine médical surtout, nous utilisons chronic en anglais. For example, a chronic pain. Character veut dire caractère ou bien personnage. Christmas veut dire Noël. So this is when the CH sounds like sh. Okay? Ça c'est côté que ou bien c'est H dans un mot, mais il prononce comment? Il prononce tant coup sh. Okay? Sh. Répétez après. Sh. Champagne. 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 Okay? Champagne. You know, I like to drink champagne. Chicago. Let's go. Chicago. Chicago. Chicago, nous connaissons qui c'est une ville. Machine. Machine. Machine with the schwa sound. Sounds like machine. Okay, this is the schwa sound. Machine. 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 Comment prononcer ces H là? C'est sh. You see? Champagne. Sh. Chicago. Machine. Chef. Chef. Ou pas dit chef. Okay? That's chef. Let's go. Parachute. 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 Machete. Machete. You see the T sounds like D. This is a flat T. Okay? Machete. Machete. Brochure. 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 Parfois, tu es capable de dire brochure. Brochure ou bien brochure. Okay? Let's go. Chic. 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 Champagne veut dire champagne. Comment prononcer ces H là? C'est comment? C'est ch. Champagne. Let's go. Champagne. The CH. C'est H là. You pronounce it like sh. Champagne. I'm gonna pop champagne at your birthday party. Chicago, qui c'est une ville, une grande ville dans les États-Unis. Machine, nous connaissons qui c'est appareil électronique, nous souvent les machines. Donc, c'est, comment on prononce, c'est machine. Machine, okay? It can be a laptop, it can be a vehicle, or something else. Okay, let's go. Chef. Chef qui veut dire chef, qui c'est chef cuisine exactement. My uncle is a chef. Parachute qui veut dire parachute. Machete. Machete qui veut dire machette en français ou bien manchette en créole. Comment on dit manchette en anglais? C'est machete. Machete. Let's go. Brochure. Brochure. Ou bien brochure. Enfin, nous gagnons, c'est chic. You know, my sister is very chic. Chic veut dire élégant ou bien chic. Donc, si il y a un mot qui gagne c'est H en anglais, nous ne pas mettre, nous capable mettre dans l'espace commentaire pour nous faire connaître qui nouveau mot nous apprendre qui gagne c'est H, qui gagne soit son ch, k, ou bien ch en anglais. OK? Pas oublier, partager vidéo pour plus de monde capable regarder pour nous éviter faire erreur ça. Parce que majorité de mots, ce sont des mots qui vraiment utilisés dans la conversation chaque jour. Thank you so much, everybody. See you next time.